Your Android phone has powerful hidden features that many users never discovered. In this video, we'll explore 3 settings you should enable in 2026 to improve your experience. From battery protection mode for better battery health, developer mode for advanced control, and circle to search for smarter searching, let's unlock your phone's potential. First, enable the battery protection mode on your phone. To do that, open the settings menu on your phone, then scroll down again, look for the battery option, tap to open it. From the battery menu, scroll down, find the battery protection option, click on them. Right now this option is turned off by default my phone. After that, to turn it on first. Once the option turn on, you can see two options, basic, maximum. If you decide to set charge limit, if you like, for example, choose maximum, then select the charge limit if you like 80%, 85%, 90%, 95%. If you decide if you want to set as charging limit 85%, select 85% and you are done. The second option, you can enable unlock developer mode. To do that, return to the main settings page, scroll down to the very bottom, go to about phone, then tap on software information. Here you can find the build number option, click on them multiple times such as 7 or 8 times. After that, verify to enter your phone current password and automatically developer mode has been turned on your device. To check it, return to the main settings, scroll down very bottom, find the developer option, open it, and here you can also adjust anything if you like. The third and last option in our tutorials, this is circle to search. To enable it, return to the main settings page, scroll down to the very top, here you can find the display option. Tap to open it. From the menu, scroll down again, look for the navigation bar option, click on them. Here you can find the circle to search option. Once you found them, tap on the toggle button to turn it on. After that, to use this circle to search, if you are using swipe gesture mode, simply long press the navigation icon at the very bottom on your phone. After that, automatically activate the circle to search mode on your phone. To use it, simply draw anything in the screen and automatically appear the result on your pop-up screen. And that's it, how you can easily 3 hidden Android settings you need to enable on your phone. Thanks for watching. Try these Android settings and improve your daily experience. Subscribe for more helpful tech tips, guide and useful smartphone tricks. Bye, take care.